Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai Charan. In this series of Docker. All right, let's talk about image registry and how we deal with images. Basically we know what is an image, right? So it is a template for a container. So now we have been talking about all the images are residing somewhere. That somewhere is nothing but Docker Hub, right? Correct. This, all right. What is Docker Hub? Let's see now. All right. Docker Hub, we call this as image registry. All right, registry. This word. All right, registry. All right. What is Docker Hub? It's a image registry, meaning collection of images. What images? You know what are customized images and standard images, right? So basically, by default, Docker Hub will have all the standard images. So let me show you, right? So how you need to go to Docker Hub. So just give Docker Hub and enter. See, you'll get this. So you just click on Docker Hub and you can sign in. All right. Okay, perfect. So this is our Docker Hub, and you can sign up here. It's simply like, a very simple sign up process. So once you sign up, you will be able to log in. That we'll see in next video. But for now, so Docker Hub will have all the images as told. So we have Nginx. You can enter in search box and click on search, and you have maybe Tomcat. It's a web server, another web server, right? We will have multiple maybe Windows based images. All right, yeah, we have maybe Jenkins. It is a tool. We have something like Ansible. It is a tool. Correct. So we have many, right? So this Docker Hub is basically called as image registry, which have collection of images. All right. So fine. Let's navigate to Nginx maybe. So just select it. So if you see here, this is our registry. Docker Hub is our registry. Now Nginx. Under Nginx, if you see tags, you know what are tags, right? You have a lot of tags here, right? Because every tag contains maybe something different, right? Definitely, correct? So, tag, we discussed that these are versions of images. So nothing to worry about that because we have already discussed. So now let's see in what format images will be there and how we can manage images on Docker Hub. All right, let me explain you that. All right, fine. So basically if you see the syntax here, so these days when we try to run Docker run commands, so and so, and we give some mode of running and maybe port forwarding, something like this, name of the container, maybe something like this, and finally we give image like this, right? So when we do this, it is pulling from this Docker Hub, right? All right, if you see that Docker Hub is nothing but this Docker Hub, right? Yeah, from here our Docker Hub, that is nothing but the Docker Hub, and from there the images are being pulled to our system where we have installed Docker. So this server which we have been using, right? This server, right? All right, fine. So basically now here what happens is this is of pulling base images from our Docker Hub to our local. Now from our local in the sense like from our server. So consider here. So this is our server. All right. So in this server we are connecting to Docker Hub and pulling some images to our system. All right, fine. Now this is one thing. All right. So now when we talk about how we push Docker, images to the Docker Hub, we have a format. But before that, we need to understand, just try to understand it. We have standard images available on the Docker Hub, all right? And so that images we pull, right? And we utilize. And in few cases, what is happening is, not in few cases, in all the required cases, we get the image. That is the base image. On top of base image, we are building our own images, and that also can be stored on Docker Hub. So this operation, when we pull the images from Docker Hub, it is called pull operation. That is this. and when we push the images to the Docker Hub, that is called push operations. Okay, fine, all right. So now when we try to push the images to the Docker Hub, it have a syntax to be followed. So if you see here, first it is the name of the registry. Okay, so docker.io is our Docker Hub address, right? Fine. Next, perceive carriers is our account name on Docker Hub. All right, account name. So let me so we have, so here it is perseverance, our institute account, right? If I navigate to Docker Hub, so and select it, so we already have account on Docker Hub. It's very simple to sign up. You can straightforwardly follow the process. So sign in. So yeah, this is our email. So sign in. All right. So it should ask for password. So let me give my password. No. Yeah, it should work now. All right. Perfect. So now, yeah. So if you click on Docker Hub here. So this is our Docker Hub, all right. And if you click on the profile icon here, this is our Perseverance account, right, on Docker Hub, all right. So once you sign up and log in, you will be able to see this. Now, on the Docker Hub, we have something called as repositories. What is repositories? You can store your customized images. You know what is a customized image, right? So we write Docker file where we use base image on top of which we put our instructions, right? And once we build this, it will generate a customized image. That image can be stored on Docker Hub. Why? It will be known in further lectures. All right, fine. Okay, so how you place this, you should ensure that your image should be tagged with this particular format. Okay, so what is that format? I told one is registry, then account, then image. So registry you got to know, account is this one. So now, yeah, it is perceive career 6577, right? So maybe in that case it would be perceive career 6577 account name, and then image is nothing but your repository name here. So for example, create a repository name, for example. So it is Nginx here, you can put any, so maybe my app, and give some description. Okay, see, public, we have two types of repositories, public and private. Public appears in Docker Hub search results, meaning it is public to everyone. Private will be only visible to you. You can click on create now, so you get your own repository. See, this is our uh, account name. This is our repository name. See, this is registry, inside which we have our account name, inside which we have our repository. Okay, all right. But you would be asking like, where is this docker.io? It is defaulted, that is why it is not showcasing here. If you see, we do not have any images. All right, if you pull down, so here, so the repository is empty. Push some images to see it. All right, fine. So to push, we need to get our image tagged to this particular format, that we'll see in the next video. All right, fine guys, so thank you so much. Bye bye.